Our printers that we have are actually pretty amazing, and they're also scanners. All you need to do is go to the printer, scan your badge, and then you'll see down here on the bottom, you can choose either the scan on the screen or click the number 2 button, fax scan. And from there, you'll get this page right here, right here. You want to click on the me. And what that'll do is it'll email it directly to you. Now, I know a lot of people have done this before and it just shows up as a PDF, and sometimes they're a little grainy, they're not in color. You can change that. So these tabs along the bottom here, these buttons, I'm going to show you what they do. They're very helpful. So the first tab along the bottom, it says one-sided. So if you have a one-sided document, that's great. But if it's two-sided and you want to make sure you get both sides of it to scan, you're going to open that up and click on two-sided. The next is the color. You'll see it usually says auto color, which that's great and it'll work just fine. But if you want it to be black and white, or if you want it to be grayscale, you may want to pick that. So go ahead and do that. And then you click on close. Next, and this is another cool thing I know a lot of people don't know, you can actually choose the type of file the output printer does. So by default, it's a PDF. See right here, PDF. But if you click up here and choose JPEG, it is going to give you an image file. So it wouldn't be a PDF. And you can decide how it's going to be. Down at the bottom here, this one is also a very popular option. It's called the file name, subject name, other. You can see it says on. So when you click on that, this box pops up right here. That box, you can choose what the file name is. So when I get a scan, it usually is just a bunch of letters and numbers. And then when I download it, I always forget what it's called. If you would prefer to have it scanned right to you with a specific name, you can type the name in here and change the subject. So that is also really helpful. Make sure you hit OK when you're done with that. Once you have all your settings correct, you can make your scans how you would usually copy. You can either put it on the top and just let it run through, or lift up the top, put it under and scan each page at a time. It's up to you. Once that part is done, you may have to press the start button at the bottom. If that start button is red, that means you probably forgot to hit this button here, the me. It doesn't have a recipient. You got to make sure you're sending it to yourself. And once that's done, it sends right to your email. Boom. When I get back to my email, I'll see that I received a message from the copier. Click on it, and you'll see here is the PDF. You can either add it to your drive from here, download it and save it in your drive, or from the icon right here, you can download it or add it to your drive.